My first question here is, I think it's big, right? Your Eurozone is done cutting, and the U.S. now is pricing in 3 rate cuts for this year, which is...
So you can bet on Polymarket against that right now, right?
You can, yes.
Because you were showing me this, and we have a new product coming out, and we're gonna, well, Rooster's already trading it, to be clear, for his family and on his own. But he was teaching me how to trade it yesterday, which is fun, because I love to learn how to. It's a little up because it's got different interface and stuff, and you gotta fund the account in different ways. But anyway, but what it says is it actually says cut, 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 or it says cut, pause, cut, or it says cut, pause, pause, right? Like, so you'd be betting against the cut, cut, cut.
Yes, which just jumped to like 52%.
Ooh.
Right, so people really want. I think I said when I came in, you can't take the rate cut out of Wall Street.
No, you can't. There's nothing. There's of all the things that Pump and Lutnick might cheer on. One is going to be rate cuts. Like there will be cheering of rate cuts. And this goes way back. I mean, this goes back. Go back to 1971, in August of 1971. For those of you that don't remember the date, even my son last night, I was talking to him about this. I said, "Do you know what happened?" He said, "I said they went to Camp David." And he said, "Well, isn't that where they changed the fixed exchange rate to gold?" And I'm like, "Yeah, guy's good. It's getting good." So like if I fade away, I mean, don't forget we got a 17-year-old in the background here that could support the Rooster, and he did this summer as an intern. But this has been going on for a long, long time. I mean, this is when it was a completely political situation where you had Nixon, in 3 days they went to Camp David, and you had Nixon in the game. You had this guy Connolly, who was the completely political beast on the political treasury side. You had a younger man. I think Volcker at the time was maybe 44 years old, if my memory serves me correct. And Volcker's like, no, you shouldn't do that. But they did it anyway. Right? So, long gone fixed exchange rates, the gold's pegged, obviously, to the dollar. Politicians have been taking advantage of your hard-earned currency for the entire time since then. Right? And Volcker warned against this explicitly. Maybe I'll even find some quotes on it tomorrow just to remind you that I've read history and learned from history. I mean, they're going to do this. And it's going to perpetuate, problems for the people. So if you think that the jobs market and stagflation in September is bad now, just wait until these guys devalue the dollar further and further and further. So that's going to be a problem. Now you're going to sell everything instead of selling some, and I didn't tell you to do that. But it's certainly something that's in the back of my mind.
Well, some would say that was the beginning of the secret tax on the people, inflation.
Yeah, not a secret. It's just like
well, to me, a lot of people that don't know.
Yeah, but we're going to help. We've always been here for the people. And that's a real thing. Obviously, we're here for the people, and we're going to continue to help them preserve and protect their hard-earned capital so that they can compound returns and not have these drawdowns and crashes that we routinely and episodically have. Thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.